Hello there, this is Patricia from Pinky's World, and I'm on to show you my latest wee book that I've made in an effort to use up my stash. These papers came from a set by Brenda Pinnock. It's really old. I've had them for years and I've been cutting into them on and off, but I chose 2 sheets and I made this with it. It's a really simple, easy book. I wasn't even intending to go Christmas, but it ended up going that way for some reason or other. I pulled out the wee penguin, what do you call this one? Penguin Place from Stampin' Up, an old stamp set and punch set that I've had for ages. So I decided to make it a wee Christmas book. So I attached him, I stamped him out twice, joined them back to back so that I could stick. This is a wee bit of shrink plastic. So the sentiment is about this. It goes down 7 times smaller, and I haven't used it in ages either, so it's another thing that's getting used up. I hadn't decided to put the elastic on, so when I did, I had to cut a circle. I put a snowflake on it and a wee rivet in there to hold my elastic and stuck it on so it covers the elastic, because I couldn't go through the book the way this is a funny bang one where you just keep adding it onto the slots. So I have a bit of pom-pom here and tied it in with the purple on these are Sizzix snowflakes. So I've made pockets. These are old cards that I had from Stampin' Up kit years ago as well, so I thought I'd pop it in. I made myself a wee notebook here. It's actually quite good paper that you could sketch on or write on, so it depends on who gets this. Made 2 journal pages, and again I've just used sheets, the 2 sheets. I think it was only 2 and a wee bit of a sheet that I had used, 12 by 12 papers. This was an old card front that I chopped down to use here. This is another one of the wee cards which I've added room on the back to, right? Added a bit of lace to cut down that stash. Inside we have another tag. I'd added the wee pom-poms too, and I have some nice embossing paste. This one here used the first time out, and I thought I'd see how it went, and it's pretty good. It gives a lovely wee sparkle there. Inside that I have another wee tag. I have penguins everywhere, just went mad with the penguins. Again, same papers, a bit of velvet ribbon that I've had for yonks. It's a long time. Stampin' Up as well, so I have a lot of stuff that I just want to get used to. So I made a pocket in this one. I forgot to say where I got this idea from. Somebody made it on it. I will look it up and I'll post it down below for you. So plenty of wee penguins there, and then Make the Season Sparkle. So that stamp set is called Sparkling Snowflakes, again from Stampin' Up. More ribbon. This is another one of those wee cards, and I stamped another wee penguin, so they can just write wee whatever's here. Another 2 journaling pages, and then this I made for, you know, you get receipts, you're buying presents at Christmas and somebody says, can I get this changed? So you can keep your receipts in there and go back to it when you need it. And then just this, kind of messed this up stamping too dark, but you could still write over the top with a black pen. And I just stuck a snowflake there. Again, that was one of those cards and a bit of the leftover paper. And the 2 side pockets were like 2 leftover strips. So pretty pleased with it. I'll give this to my daughter to sell off in her wee craft fairs that she does. So that's me finished. I thought it was a great idea. I will find where I did it. I think it was Lyric. Oh, I can't remember her name. But I'll check it out and post it down below. Great way to make a wee journal for a few wee pages. And it'll be great for using up your stash. So hope you enjoyed that, and I'll catch you all again soon. Bye.